Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to send from Revolut to Wise. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Wise and not Wise, open up your Revolut. So open up Revolut and log into your account. So let me log into my Revolut account. So I'm just going to open it up. All right, okay, so I've already logged in. So now I'm on my home page here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this transfer option here below. So click on the transfer option, and then on your top right here you have the new option. Click on new. All right, and then here you need to choose bank recipient. So once you choose bank recipient, then you go to provide your details of your Wise account details, so your banking details of your Wise account. So when I click on this, my screen might black out due to security reasons, as I'm screen recording. But all you'll see now here is you just have to provide the account details of your Wise. So to get that, if you want the account details of your Wise account, simply go to your Wise app. So open up your Wise app, just log into your Wise account. So now select the account that you're going to do the transaction with. So for example, my account here, and then click on, just 1 second, so click on, yep, here. All right, so once you open up your Wise account, click on your account. All right, and then just click on your account number, and here you should be able to see all your account details, like your account number and everything. So you just have to copy these, and then just click on copy these and go to your Revolut and select the bank recipient, and then paste in the details and complete the transaction. So that's pretty much it. So that's how you send from Revolut to Wise. Hope this video is helpful. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.